Hi everybody, in this video we are going to see how to make this immune booster health drink. This is a natural immune booster remedy. Come, let's see what are all ingredients we require to do this drink. First we need a cup of water. Next, ginger. Then we need 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds. Next, 1 medium size lemon. Now we need 2 to 3 cloves. Next we need 1 small teaspoon of turmeric powder. Now we will take an empty bowl. Add 1 cup of water in it. Next, we will add a small teaspoon of turmeric powder in it. Now we are going to add a small teaspoon of cumin seed. Next, take 2 to 3 cloves and add into the water. Now take 1 medium-sized lemon, roll it nicely and cut it into half. Cut some more small pieces. Now we are going to add these small pieces into the water mixture. Next, take some ginger, cut it into a small pieces. Add the small pieces of ginger into a mortar and pestle. Now give a good smash. Like this, then add it to the water mixture. Now with the help of a spoon, stir it properly. Now allow the mixture to boil in a medium flame for 5 minutes. Now take a filter. When the mixture is hot itself, you have to filter and extract the water. That's it. Now our immune booster health drink is ready. See how easy to do this drink within 5 minutes with the ingredients available at your kitchen. Have this for 5 days in your empty stomach. Try this for a week without fail. You are going to have a tremendous result. It is going to improve your immunity and fight back against common cold and fever, which is most important during this pandemic situation. See the result. I'm sure that you're going to recommend this drink to your friends and family. Thank you. Stay safe, stay healthy.